Hi friends, you are a new viewer for our channel. Please subscribe our channel and touch the bell icon. This kind of good videos will come to your mobile. Friends, welcome to our channel. This is your Srinivas. And also welcome to such a good topic. Today we are going to discuss about tangent and secant to a circle. In this also we are guessing, we are expecting 4 questions in each and every year. Friends, before going to start that, I want to tell you, I hope that you are practicing and you are watching our videos regularly. How to see the link, description link in that every chapter I kept 100 questions with keys also there. You go with thorough practically, and you have any doubts, you comment it as possible. We should give the response to you. Friends, you trust yourself. You don't go with different. You trust one book, one channel. You watch it, then you definitely will get a perfect rank, no doubt at all. Now let us come to the topic. Here, tangent secant to a circle. In this, what is circle? This is a basic knowledge. Circle, center, radius, diameter, chord. After that, we are going to discuss secant, tangent. Simple oral information. The set of points are formed. If a set of points are formed in a plane which are equidistant, then it is called circle. The fixed point is called center. The fixed distance is called radius. You know very well, very clear. The sum of two radius is called diameter. Friends, today what is secant? Yes, a line segment. A line segment which is intersect the circle into two distinct places, distinct points, that is called secant of a circle. This line segment will intersect this circle two distinct places at B and C. This is called secant of a circle. Secant of a circle. Say one line segment can be intersect the circle at one place only. That line segment is called as tangent. Simple amma. Secant will intersect the circle two distinct places. Tangent will intersect the circle at one place only. Now some features about secant and circle. Now tangent can be drawn radius of the circle. Tangent can drawn end point of the radius of the circle is called perpendicular distance. The tangent can be drawn end points of the diameter of the circle is called, these two tangents are parallel to each other. One point. Now very important point is the point of contact. The point of contact means the common point between radius and tangent is called point of contact. Here A is called point of contact. Here the angle between radius and tangent will be 90 degrees. This question they are asking many times. The angle between radius and tangent is dash 90 degree. What is point of contact? The common point between radius and tangent is dash point of contact. A point of contact is nothing but 90 degree. Now how many tangent can be drawn from external point to one circle? Two tangents. These two tangents must be equal length, and these two point of contacts are equal, and these two radius are also having equal length. Right, my dear children? Now PA equals to PB. Clear? Now how many parallel tangent can be drawn on circle? Only one pair of parallel tangent we can write on a circle. This is one of the point. Now this is like a ring. This is like a ring. What is the formula for ring? Inner radius is R, outer radius is R. How to find the ring formula? Pi into R square minus R square. Otherwise, we can use generally pi of R plus R into R minus, because the form in the form of A plus B into A minus B. A square minus B square nothing but A plus B into A minus B. Clear? Now, one more important point. Two circles are intersect internally each other. How many tangents can be possible to draw? Only one. Right? Two circles are intersect externally to each other. How many tangents can be drawn? 3. This is the way, some little information I am giving to you. If you want more beautiful, briefly information, means you have to see on our playlist. Many videos are there about tangents and secant to a circle. So now let us go with the STAR's previous examination solution with smart tricks. Now let us see. See the first question, previous examination solution with a smart way, smart tricks. From the figure, the value of OP. from the figure. This is like a tangent and tangents drawn from the external point. Okay, this figure you have to find the value of OB. What is OB, Amma? Yes, length of line segment OP. Now you know very well what is given here. Two tangents are same. Okay, na? This is a common side of these two triangles. This is a common side of these two triangles. Simple, we have to know that this is like a right angle triangle. You should observe it. This is like a right angle triangle. You know Pythagorean triple, the shortcut 3, 4, 5. Here 3 is there. This is 4. This is hypotenuse. 90-degree opposite side will be hypotenuse. So 3, 4 were given. Then next value will be according to Pythagoras theorem 5. So answer is 5 cm. Finish answer. How would I? Simple, amma. You know Pythagoras theorem. OB square is equals to OA square plus AB square. This is a hypotenuse. Right, Nana? OA 3 square, 4 square, 9 plus 16, 25. OP square equals 25. OP equals to root 25. Nothing but 5 cm. Otherwise, you can go with the direct shortcut Pythagorean triple. That's it. Next. If two circles touch each other internally, then how many common tangent can be drawn? Okay. Two circles are touches internally like this. Okay. How many common tangent can be drawn? Only one common tangent. This is the one common tangent. That's it. Answer is 1. For suppose it can be externally, we can draw 3 tangents. Next, at most 3. Now the angle between radius and tangent to a circle at the point of contact. Simple, amma. For example, this is called tangent drawn with the radius. Tangent drawn with the radius at point of contact. This angle will be right angle triangle. Right angle. Number of parallel tangent to a circle with a given tangent. Okay. For example, this is a tangent. One tangent is given. For name of the tangent is L. How many possibility to draw a parallel tangent? This is like this given. Only one. How many pairs? Only one pair of parallel tangent to draw a given tangent. So this is the one answer. Two concentric circles having radii 5 cm and 3 cm are drawn. Then the length of the chord of the larger circle which touch the smaller circle. This is the chord of the larger circle which touch the smaller circle. This length is asking. And what is given, amma? Two concentric circle like a ring. Concentric circle means like a ring. Here having radius is 5. Oh, bigger circle radius is 5. Smaller circle radius is 3. He is asking length of BC. If we know length of BC means we have to find AB and as well as AC. Then we will get AB. Sum of the two is nothing but BC. So you should find first AB. Then after double of these two must be equal. Right? Now you can find AB and A. What is AB? By using concept of Pythagoras theorem, OAB. This is 3. This is 5. I told you in the first problem 3, 4, 5 are the first Pythagorean triplets. Here 3 given, this is hypotenuse 5, this will be 4. Oh, right, shortcut sir. 4, this is 4, 4 plus 4, 8 cm. The length of the chord will be 8 cm. This is our answer. Clearly, 3 given, 5 given, middle 4 will be there, 4 double, 8 cm. That's it, amma. Okay, now let us see more interesting question upon this chapter. See children, some important standard question they are repeating every 2 years, 1 year they are repeating every 2 years, 3 years like in the Policy exam. That questions I have written 3 on the board. Let us see the 6th, 7th, 8th question. Keep in your mind, damn sure. That question will be number of chords of a circle. Nana, you see children, not only chord, it is radius also, it is diameter also. You can think like that. How many chords will be right in the circle? Infinite. How many radius will be formed in the circle? Infinite. How many diameters will be possible? Infinite. How many chords are there? Number of chords are there in the circle? Infinite. There is no limit. Infinite. Radius also infinite. Diameter also infinite. We can write. Nice. Angle in a semicircle, that should be absolutely standard question, that is 90 degree. Angle in a semicircle, here for example like this will be there, this is called 90 degree. Angle is a semicircle is 90 degree. Now this is standard question, this is standard question. Now one more standard question. How many tangent can be drawn to a circle from a point outside the circle? Outside the circle, this is a circle, amma. Outside the circle, how many tangents we are able to draw, amma? How many tangents? 1 and 2. Here I should cover once again point of contact. What is the angle? 90 degree. Where is the point of contact? The radius and tangent will be meet at place, that is called point of contact. Okay, namma, right? And a tangent drawn with the radius, that is perpendicular. The tangent will drawn with the diameter, that is called parallel. These are questions repeatedly they are asking the exam. Okay, na? Now tangent can be touch the circle at one place. Second will intersect the circle at two places. Okay, na? Now the longest chord of a circle is diameter. Okay. Now sum of all the angles at the center of the circle. Sum of the all the angles. This is the center. For example, you can take the same points like this. You can draw sum of these all the angles will be equals complete angle nothing but 360 degree. Angle in a semicircle 90 degree. Sum of all the angles in a circle 360 degree. These are the standard question, dear children. These are all are given in previous 2018 paper. Okay, but I did not give you options because you know the answer. Don't go with the option. First we should say answer, then after go with the options, right? Now, from the figure, AB is a chord and PA, PB are tangent to the circle. This is a chord. This is a chord, and PA and PB are two tangents. Circle. If ABB equals to 40 degree, APB is a 40 degree. Then PAB. What about PAB? This is asking amount. They are asking this is. Children, I told you, no, very interesting question this is. Like these questions are given, you can go with diagrammatical answer. Diagrammatical. What is the diagram? Okay, these two are called point of contacts. In a triangle, this is a triangle. These two are always equal. Always should be equal. This is given 40. You know very well sum of three angles in a triangle 180 degree. 180 degree. Right now, 180 minus 40. 140. These two are must be same. Means divided by 2. We should get 70. That is the answer. How would I get? You want traditional? Let us see. Sum of the angles in a triangle ABB plus PAB plus PBA okay na? Is equals to 180. ABB given 40. These two angles are equal. X plus x is equals to 180. 40 2x is equals to 180. 2x equals to 180 minus 40. 2x equals to 140. Okay. Now x equals to 140 by 2 70. Same answer. That is a traditional method. This is a shortcut. These two are equal. This is given 180 minus 40. 140 by half by 2. Nothing but 70. Next, children. In the figure x equals. In this figure, this is given 50. In the figure, what is the value of x? I told you, no, in that concept, for example, center AOB always is twice of ACB. Very important point this is. The angle of center AOB is always twice of ACB. Always twice. Means this is x is asking, this is 2, ACB given 50. 2 into 50, 100. Where is 100? This is the answer. Children, I told you one important point. This value is given. If he is asking this value, you can double it. Okay, double it. 50 double 100. For suppose your center angle is given, if he is asking this value, you can use half of it. 100 given, half means 50. Okay, right. Next, in the figure, x equals to what? Very easy. Small, chota question. We can say like a chota beam. Yes, this is exterior angle, sir. So exterior angle is always sum of two opposite interior angles. Sum of two opposite interior angles. Nothing but 80 plus 55. That should be equals to 135. Where is 135? This is one answer. Finish. Clear?